I'm back with another video, and we have lots of things on the screen, so I'm going to explain what each one is. So right here we have our program files. This is inside the C hard drive disk, and this is my folder called CPP programs. And when you're doing C++, you normally do CPP as the file name for a C++ document and things, because you can't necessarily write plus in a file name. So instead, it's abbreviated, the plus, by a P, so it's plus plus, so CPP. So then, in here, we have some codes, and the main one we're going to be focusing on today is going to be called the save.cpp, and then next, right underneath it, we have a text file called save. So then, if we go to the save.notepad, so this is what is inside the text document. We have file empty default text, so that's all that's inside right now. And then we have this code in my favorite code editor, which is called Atom, and you can install it for free if you look up Atom code editor, or Atom editor online. So then inside here we're declaring a library called fstream, and we're also getting the library string. Everything else is normal. So then right now we're just using ifstream to read this file inside our computer, and this is really just like a reading and writing program of files. So in here on our command prompt, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to run this program. This doesn't have to be this program. I'm just going to show you how this works and runs by changing the words on this notepad text document, but this can be used to save data and binary and all that stuff, so it's pretty important if you want to create a working application. But this doesn't have to be, this entire episode isn't just about like saving this data and stuff. It's not necessarily about how this code works. It's more about how to run a C++ program, even if the basic thing you're doing is just like cout hello world. So you have your file, your code file, inside probably a folder would be best, and the easiest way to access it would be parenting the folder to your C drive or your disk. So then if we go over here, you don't need to open command prompt as an administrator. This is also not a tutorial on how to install MinGW, so let's just get right into this. So after you have MinGW installed, you can just type in G++, and to make sure you have it installed, you can just do -- version, and right here we have MinGW. So now we're going to do G++, and then we're going to get our hard drive, so we're going to do capital C .. // You need to make sure you don't do forward slashes. Always a backward slash when you're accessing files like this, kind of. So then we want to go to the folder, so CPP programs, and then another backward slash, and we want to access the save.cpp program. So we're going to do save.cpp. So then to run this program, we can't just enter like that. So we're going to do minus or dash, whatever you want to call it, and then O, and then one more space, and then type in save, like your file name, and then .exe. So just change your file name to exe at the end instead. Click enter. Wait for a second. Nothing will happen. So then you need to type in save.exe, and it'll run an exe of your program, which is an executable file. So then you press enter. Wait for a few seconds, and then we have data saved. So this program's just reading it, and it just prints out what's inside this file, and then you can enter something else to save. So this could be like stats for your your user or something. Like user is Strangejmaster, and stats, their phone number or something like 111-111-111. So this is just leaving it to the user in the command prompt to enter something, and you don't have to do this. It can just read it itself, kind of, and update files itself, depending on everything that the user does. So if we click enter, nothing will happen here, but if we close this right now, and then we open the save file again, the text file, bam, user Strangejmaster stats 111-111-111. And this could also be in binary and lots of other different types. I recommend C++ Programming in Easy Steps book if you want to learn this. It's very good. It's a very good book. I like it a lot. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out to like run your first C++ program or run a more complicated program if you're ready. So I hope you have had a nice day. Peace out. Bye.